Hey, it's your boy Brandon, aka Be the Marketing Dude, and this channel is mainly about, if it's your first time on it, right, making money online social media marketing, and things of that nature. So if you want to hear more about that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, right? But outside of that, right, 3 ways to make money straight to your PayPal, right? So if you're seeing this video right now, it's either you're on my email list and you want to learn how to create an income online, or maybe you are on YouTube searching for ways to create money. Basically, you wanted instant payments straight to your PayPal. Maybe you want to make payday every day, right? And so there's 3 ways to really make money straight to your PayPal, right? And so I'll say the first way to make money to your PayPal is create your own course, right? The only issue with this is if you're brand new to internet marketing and making money online, creating your own course may sound a little intimidating, right? Because you got to figure out what topic your course is going to be over. You got to figure out the modules and the lessons, right? You got to figure out all of the technical things of where you're going to host your course at, how you're going to create it, setting up the websites and the sales funnels to sell the course, right? And so if you are brand new, right, most likely creating and selling your own course is not going to be the best way for you to make money straight to your PayPal online if you want to make money online, right? Second way to make money online straight to your PayPal is freelancing your services. So I'm gonna just put freelance, right? This could be maybe you create logos, maybe you're pretty artistic, maybe you take pretty dope pictures, maybe things of this is usually more of the creative person that can render services, right? Maybe you can create websites, right? And so as a freelancer, if you want to make money straight to your PayPal, there's a lot of different websites that you can use. Freelance.com is one of them. What's another one? I think it's called Odesk. I could be wrong, .com. Another one is a very popular one that I even use. So when I want to get logos created and things of that nature, if you're looking at my YouTube channel right now, you're not on my email list, the banner on my YouTube channel was actually a banner that I paid a freelancer, and that was from Fiverr.com, right? And so that's another quick way that you can create quick cash, make money online, just using your skill sets, your creative skill sets to render your skills and get customers, right? These websites, websites like these, right, you don't have to worry about doing heavy lifting as far as generating traffic, because the websites already get a lot of traffic. So all you have to do is post your services on there, maybe post previous work or examples of work that you've done before, and boom, right? You can sell your services for 50 to 100. Some people sell them for 500, depending on what it is that you're actually selling and actually doing for the potential client, right? The third and the easiest way to me to make money online, especially if you're new to making money online, is affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. CPA or affiliate, right? And so basically what that is it's finding a affiliate program, right? Somebody else's product, somebody else's service, right? Somebody else's program that's already created, meaning you don't have to create it. You don't have to create the website. You don't have to do the customer service. All you have to do is get exposure to that actual product and let them do all the selling and telling for you, right? So the thing about this is when you're looking for affiliate product or program, you have to find one. If you want to get paid straight to your PayPal, you have to find the ones that are actually paying through PayPal and make sure that they're pretty legit, meaning they're pretty, you know, reputable, so your PayPal account doesn't get shut down, right? And so that's actually what me and my team have been doing with the no limit system, right? We've been leveraging a direct sales digital product, teaching people how to make money online, posting simple ads, posting simple videos like this one, to create an extra $50 to $150 online every single day, right? And so if you're a newbie, or even if you're advanced and you just want an easy way for people that are coming to you to create an income online, right, this is for you. So if you want to check out, you know, the no limit system, right, go ahead, click the link below. If you're on my website, click the button below and claim your $100 per day system, right? And I will see you guys on the inside.